Babies, it's time to climb another mountain, and this particular English workshop assignment is supposed to help you be a better writer and a better speaker, so let's get on with it. Go ahead and get out your book, a highlighter and a pen, that should suffice, and then I'll tell you what page to turn to. Okay, let's continue to work on pronouns and turn to page 211, and today we're going to look at pronouns as direct objects. So turn to page 211, and then let's read the directions about, or excuse me, the information about direct objects that are acting as pronouns. All right, to begin with, let's go ahead and highlight the first rule, 16C. The direct object of a verb is always in the objective case. Okay, so a direct object is a noun or a pronoun. Now that's what we're dealing with, is pronouns that receives the action of a verb or that shows the result of the action. For example, the officer directed me to the right address. Me tells whom the officer directed. It's the direct object in the sentence. The next example, Teresa gave them to her sister. Them tells what Teresa gave. It's acting as the direct object in the sentence. So you need to choose the object case pronouns in both of those instances. Object case pronouns. The list is on your daily language sheet. You are very aware of those. This is a list you need to memorize. Me and them are both object pronouns. Okay, let's just keep reading. To choose the correct pronoun for use as a compound direct object, try each form of the pronoun separately. The audience applauded Geraldo and, is it I or me? Let's separate it. The audience applauded I. Ooh, that sounds odd. The audience applauded me. That sounds better. The audience applauded Geraldo and me. It's not Geraldo, it's Geraldo and me. That's the correct object pronoun to use. Now what I recommend is that you know that Geraldo and me are direct objects in that sentence. And that's going to help you know to choose an object case pronoun, me. Okay, right now I want us to look at exercise 5, choosing correct pronoun forms. Complete each sentence below by writing an appropriate pronoun on the line or lines provided. Use a variety of pronouns, but do not use you or it. Make sure that each pronoun you choose makes sense in the sentence. So go ahead and let's complete number 1 through 10, much like the example. Fran took her brother and me to the concert. Now we know that it should be me because it's acting as a direct object in the sentence. Fran took whom? And your answer would be me. All right, so go ahead and pause the video now and complete 1 through 10, and then start the video again and check your answers. Okay, there are possibly different answers for 1 through 10. Each question could have a multiple of correct answers, just as long as they're all object pronouns. For example, number 1 could be someone called us extremely late last night, or someone called him or her or me or them. So any object pronoun is actually going to suffice in number 1 through 10. You just want to avoid the subject pronouns, which are he, she, I, we, they. I think I got them all there, but you want to avoid the subject pronouns because every answer in this assignment is a direct object, so it has to be an object case pronoun. I know that's kind of tricky, but that's truly the list of answers you could have used. Okay, now I want you to do exercise 6, proofreading for correct pronoun case. Draw a line through each pronoun that is used incorrectly in the paragraph below. Write the correct pronoun in the space above the words. Some sentences are correct, so you won't find a mistake in every pronoun usage, but you need to pay attention and then mark the correct pronoun above the marked out incorrect pronouns. Okay, so let's look at the example. Number 1, they sent Zahara and me to the regional meeting. The reason why it should be me is because it's a direct object in the sentence, and you need the object pronoun me. Okay, now what I want you to do is go ahead and pause the video, mark all the incorrect pronouns, and then above them write the correct pronouns. And when you finish, please turn on the video and check your answers to make sure you've understood the assignment. Okay, here's the correct, all the corrections that you should have made in the assignment. Please mark yours if you corrected them incorrectly, and hopefully today you've learned a little bit about pronouns. Okay, that's it for this lesson on pronouns, and hopefully it will help you to do better in speaking and writing. Thank you for working so hard.